the most influential, the most valuable and innovative technology. Today, SK Blue Mini World Debut. Technology has changed your life and gave you extraordinary new experience. This is a mobile phone and tablet, laptop matching wireless mouse. During the meeting, you can use it to remotely control your computer, turn on the page on the PPT presentation, mouse control, picture presentation. Adjust the volume is an excellent companion for your work. The SK Blue Mini with phones, tablets, TV box to match each other can be carried out remotely, allowing you to more easily and freely control all kinds of digital products. As you love sports, you can use SKB Blue Mini listening to music while exercising and are free to choose the songs you want, adjust the volume, and so on. Handheld SK Blue Mini can digital cameras, mobile phones, tablet PC with a Bluetooth module. You can control the shutter, adjust the focus, front and rear lens conversion, easily shoot any position you want to photograph. Portable game controller. The game control more freely fun. You can always use it to control your tablet computer games. Even in the wild grass, you wear a glasses 3D game. You can experience the excitement and thrill of 3D games. Support simulator games, Nintendo, Sega, Sony, and support for arcade games, PSP, JBA, N64, MIM, NES, tens of thousands of classic games. Cannot use touchscreen operation. SK Blue Mini solve all game control problems. You can go out to play the game. Go home also can be played. Universal mobile phone to control all operations can be remotely artifact TV box. Universal phone artifact can control children, so the whole family happy. Support Android games such as Wushi, etc. that even ready to use. Of course, you can freely control the Bluetooth speakers. In the cold winter, lying in bed, SK Blue Mini can flip for your e-book reader control. Release your hands. SK Blue Mini, everything under control. For more details, please dimensional code scanning top of the screen and access the Juzlin Game Center.